will keep on moving with the its whatever velocity it is provided. With that same velocity it will keep on moving. So on the basis of that, he gave the concept of inertia. So we will see what is inertia. So first we will see what is inertia. So inertia is the tendency or inherent property of an object to not to change its state of motion. What is inertia? Inertia is the property of an object by virtue of which the object tend to not change its state of motion. So I am writing the definition. Inherent property of an object by virtue of which object tend to not to change its state of motion. So what is meaning of this? So whatever motion it is having, suppose it is moving in a straight line, it will keep on moving in a straight line. Suppose it is at rest, it will continue to remain at rest. If it is whatever it is state of motion, whether it is at rest or motion, it will try to continue that only. So it tends to oppose the change, or we can say object tend to not to change its state of motion. Okay, so inertia can be categorized into different types. So types of inertia. So what are the different types of inertia? So there are three types we study. First is the inertia of rest. So what is inertia of rest? So inertia of rest means suppose a car is kept on a surface, so it will remain at the surface by itself. It cannot start moving. So you need to apply some external force. So this is that this tendency to remain at rest is called inertia of rest. So a heavy object kept at rest tend to remain at rest, tend to remain at rest. So this is called the inertia of rest. So example is stationary car. Similarly, we have inertia of motion. So inertia of motion, what is this inertia of motion? So inertia of motion is an object which is in motion does not try to stop by itself. You need to apply some force. So similarly, you can see the example. If you have suppose if you consider the example of an aeroplane, generally the aeroplane, when they are about to land on the surface, before approx 20 to 15 minutes before the landing, the pilot will switch off the part of engine which is propelling the aeroplane. So the aeroplane keeps on moving by itself. So whatever velocity it is having, it will just keep on moving with that velocity. It will keep on gliding with that. So you can take example of a car also. If you just switch off the engine of car, the car will keep on moving with that velocity. Whatever velocity it is having, it will keep on moving. So that is called inertia of motion. So a vehicle in motion keeps on moving despite its engine is switched off until the brake is applied. Despite its engine is switched off until brake is applied. Brake applied means you are applying some force. So brake should not be applied. So if you do not apply any force, it will have tendency to move in the with uniform speed in the same direction. Then the last one, the last type of inertia is inertia of direction. So what is inertia of direction? So this is what if something, suppose a ball is moving, if you do not apply any force, the ball will keep on moving in the same direction. Even if you want to change the direction, keeping the speed same, you need to apply some force. The ball which is coming towards the batsman may apply some force and he may divert the ball in some other direction. So the ball will be diverted. So to divert the ball, even if it is moving with the same speed, you need to apply the force from the bat. So to change the direction also, you need to apply the force. To change the direction, one need to apply a force. So by itself, the object will keep on moving in the same direction. By itself, object keeps on moving in same direction. So we can take example of cricket ball. Cricket ball keeps on moving in the same direction until a force is applied. A cricket ball keeps moving in same direction until an external force is applied.